I can show up here.
What happens if my shoe falls off and it drops into the forest?
Too bad for you. You need
You have to say bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
You can use mine.
¿Por qué se detiene?
Porque cuando la góndola está dando vueltas, pues si se sube otro grupo.
No.
Me duele mi estómago.
No, it's okay.
Nos vamos a...
Another one. 1, 2, 3.
It's high enough that we break our bones.
Oh my gosh, you did it.
Poppy, look at the vine.
Mom.
Actually, you can see more vines on your right side. You can see like that vine with the like a curly shape. It's a vine.
Oh my gosh. Mom.
Sorry. You see, that's a vine.
There's what are those? Yellow butterflies?
No,
oh, that's his light.
We found out a new species.
A new species, yeah.
A new species. A light.
We call that vine as monkey ladders. So an aerial root grows in the opposite way. If we compare the aerial root with a vine, for instance, the vine grows from the forest floor to up, guided by the sunlight, and in turn the aerial root grows from the top to down. But the aerial root is sent by the plant living on a tree. So the root tries to reach the forest floor just to obtain the minerals, nutrients, and some water.
Oh, wow.
Mom, at least it's not going fast while it's going down.
Look at that vine.
Mhm.
How old do you think those vines are? Like, how long does it take those to grow?
Daddy, nothing well.
I think that maybe 100 to 100 years, but actually sometimes it's just a kind of property. It's hard to know like a number, a specific number, because there are many like environmental factors that can determine that. You know, like the temperature or the season of the year, like the quantity of rain in a specific year, the excess of the light, you know. That can take, I think, more than 100 years, because it's the
Inside, not on top.
If you drop it, that's your fault. No one's gonna get it for you. So. Wow, mira esos árboles.